for Terminal 3 at pupunta kami sa Boracay.
I get the feeling it's a good night. It's so bright. The city's shining from the street lights. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up. Say anything and I'm down. We're just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I want to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play.
Dagat.
Kaya nga, may dagat.
We just sway.
Dito na kami sa Boracay.
We just sway. Don't stop now. We're like the river in the sky. Flying high. Don't think we're ever coming down. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up. Say anything and I'm down. We're just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I want to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway. We just sway. And now we sway. We just sway. Levitating with you, anything can happen. What you think we should do? Let's not begin. We're just flying high, we're not coming down. Come right up next to me, step side to side, I wanna sway. Yeah, we can dance the night away. Right. Want to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway. And we just sway. And now we sway. And we just sway.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda, babe. Puting-puti yung sun. First time ko dito sa Boracay, tapos ito yung madadatnan ko. Low tide, pero ang ganda pa rin niya. Lalo na, ayan o, yung araw. Ang ganda. Look, may rainbow pa oh. Ang perfect niya. Happy?
Happy.
Ang ganda ng rainbow, babe oh. Boracay. First time ko makapunta dito. Tapos si Habi, second, pero hindi niya na maalala kasi nung college pa siya, nung huli pumunta siya dito. Kaya naaamis kami pareho. Ang ganda. Kahit low tide, ang ganda pa rin. Good morning guys! Papunta na kami ngayon sa beach at nagsusulit. Parang umulan sa kanina kasi basa yung kalsada. Pero okay lang yan kasi parang huminto naman. So, swimming na kami. model. Ano yun? Talent mo? Punta kami ngayon sa Buka Beach para mag-photoshoot.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Morning guys! Day 3 na namin dito sa Boracay. And ngayon, pupunta kami sa
Sa Lubutan Mangrove.
Lubutan Mangrove. Time check is 8:35 AM. So, magko-commute lang kami at maghihintay kami ng e-trek dun sa may Nabasan.
Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa Bulabog Beach, sa kabilang side ng mga station 1, 2, 3. Galing kami sa Lubutan Mangrove Park. So, tambay lang kami dito. DIY lang kami kaya wala kami hinahabol ng oras. Tricycle lang kami galing station 2 papuntang Mangrove. 15 pesos each lang, tapos lalakad ka lang konti. May Mangrove Park na. Tapos after noon, lakad ka lang ulit. Nandito ka na sa Bulabog Beach. Mas konti tao dito, halos wala nga masyado eh. Pero hindi rin ganun kasi kahaba to. Pero mahaba pa rin naman. Tapos walang masyadong tindahan ata, di ko lang sure. Di pa kami nakapaglakad-lakad eh. At mamaya mag-ikot-ikot kami dito. Tapos uwi na, gawa ng baby. Yun lang guys. Relax na kami dito, mahangin dito, tsaka presko.
Censored yung cat. Hey guys! Ngayon na lang ulit nag-vlog or nag-update. Nakalimutan na kahapon, tapos nag-enjoy na lang kami mag-swimming after ng Bulabog Beach. Anong oras na ba? 3:30 PM na at ngayon na lang ulit nakapag-video. Kaninang umaga, nag-swimming lang din naman kami, tapos nag-try ulit ako ng crystal kayak. Ako na lang mag-isa. And today, nag-aayos kami. Mag-ikot-ikot ng Station 2. Since last day na namin at uwi na kami bukas sa Manila. Bukas ng madaling araw yung flight namin. Hindi naman bukas ng madaling araw, mga 7:30 AM. So bukas ng madaling araw, aalis na kami. Para hindi kami malate sa flight. Ayun lang. Ano pa ba gagawin namin? Wala na kami itinerary. Mag-ikot-ikot ng Station 2, tapos mamayang mga sunset, swimming. Ayun. Enjoy na lang since last day na. Yun lang. Bye! Bugas pa yan ng kamay. Ayaw na ayaw niya malagkit yung kamay niya. Dahil sa ice cream. Kayak po.
Hindi po.
Para sailing po.
Hindi po. Porta.
Sige na, try nyo na po. ATV po. ATV.
Ayaw nga ni.
Tingin ka rin kayo, ba gusto mo?
Kaya na to?
Magustuhan ko.
100 po. Ma'am.
100. Wala nang tawad, sir?
Wala na po eh.
Hindi na.
Kung nakakapag-Boracay ka, wala ka pambili ng 100 lang.
Meron talaga. Merong budget sa Boracay, pero sa mga ganito, wala. Hi guys! Nandito na kami ulit sa hotel.
Kita ko doon.
Bibihis na kami pang swimming. Ayun, sa last day namin. So, 1, 2, 3. Hello!
Ikot yung
Isa pa,
bago.
isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Swimming na kami. Bye!
When we wake,
Last day na namin!
hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Pinasakal mo ko eh.
Sorry! Ang ganda ng sunset, Ben!
Yun mo kilala talaga. Tama ba sa ito?
Ngayon lang kami napag-video habang nag-swimming. Kasi last day na namin. Tapos gusto namin sulitin yung moment na nag-swimming, na walang iniisip, nag-enjoy lang. So ngayon, ayan, nakakapag-video na kami. Since last day na namin, so ayan, at least may na-record kami na may sunset. 1, 2, 3, go!
you and I, the future is bright.
Bye-bye, Boracay. Last day na namin.
Next
Last
year.
night. Last night na namin.
Next year ulit.
Ganun na, oh. Ay, hindi pala ganun.
Ganyan na.
May ganun na kami pagbalik.